To turn Cherry Garden on for your Tapestry account, you need to be a manager and you need to sign into the browser version. Once you've done that, just click on your name and then go to Control Panel. From there, you'll need to go to Settings and then Assessments. And then if you scroll down in the United Kingdom section, you'll see the Cherry Garden option. So just click on Configure. You can see I've already enabled Cherry Garden, but if you haven't, just tick that box there. And you can also decide whether you want to display it to relatives. So that means whether you want them to be able to see the assessments you make as part of observations and whether you want them to see the Cherry Garden graphic. This won't apply to the tracking screens though, they'll never be able to see those. Next you've got the best fit threshold. So that comes into play when you're looking at your progress screens. Some of those will show you the best fit branch for the child. So it works that out by looking at the branch or looking for the branch with the highest percentage score, but it will ignore anything that's over this score. So if you had 90% of branch 1 complete, 70% of branch 2 and 20% of branch 3, then branch 2 would be your best fit. You can come back and change this at any point though, so if you're not sure, you can always leave it as 80% and then come back and change it later. Next, you can choose the number of refinements that you'd like. So by default, it will start with 3, but you can have up to 10. Obviously, the more you have, the smaller steps progress you will be able to see. Once you've selected your number, you can describe what that actually means. So give each refinement a name, a short name and a colour. Just make sure that refinement 1 is your lowest one. So with this one, you do need to have a think about how you want to set this up before you actually start making assessments. Once you've made any assessments, you won't be able to reduce the number of refinements you've got. You will be able to increase the number, but that might then mean that the assessments you've made up to that point aren't as accurate. So it is worth having a think about that before you get started. Once you're happy with everything though, just press submit and that will have enabled it.